I can recognize myself in that sense in the whole thing, because in the beginning of human design, I have a pretty smart mind, and I took it as an intellectual. I was kind of like, okay, I don't really, I don't really need this information for myself because I'm so, I don't have any problems. I'm just successful and I'm doing this and that. And my mind was extremely arrogant when I met human design, but I didn't even recognize the arrogance at the time. I was just like, that's just a normal, frequency in that sense. It's all I knew. And so I think when I see all that stuff going on Facebook, I'm sensitive to it because I can see, in that sense, what the prison is, because I've been there. I've been in that prison. If you find yourself, I could say I also, because I still fall into these traps, but defending your own experience through the mechanics, you are in the shits. If if an argument with my partner goes like, I'm emotionally defined and you need to leave me time and that this is like a sure sign that bad track, okay, these are the okay, mind is a vicious thing in that sense, and it just uses information and this is not a defense tool against the world, or explaining why things happen through human design. That's another thing. We sometimes do it jokingly here when something just funny happens and it's a particularly projector-like moment, it's like it's hard not to point it out, but it's just to recognize that we can't explain anything, through the map. And this phrase that the map is not the territory, it's like the same as explaining, a car crash in France and showing the map of France to explain the car crash. It's like, it just makes no sense, And so this also is a very popular mind activity. So, yeah, I would say that those are the points that are not, the unhealthy points, or where you can see that the mind has taken over and it's taken the information as some kind of dogma. It's no longer an awareness trip. It's like a how to manage my life better trip. And a lot of, only shit comes out of that, in my experience. Like I said, we live in a duality, both sides are there, and you can never, you can never do anything for that, it's like, it's duality.